Alright, it's already recorded.
It's only got 13 minutes left, so.
13 minutes?
Yeah, I got more cards. Chubby buddy. Should I count them first?
There's 22 in all of them.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jesse dropped one on the floor, so.
Yeah, you can't eat them, right?
Do you have to say one first?
No, you can't eat them.
You have to say the number first, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
I guess.
1.
Well, we'll count it for you.
Yeah, 1,
Chubby bunny.
2,
Chubby bunny.
3.
Chubby bunny.
4. 5. 4? What?
Yeah, he has
Oh. Yeah, that's 5. 5. 6.
8.
I don't know if that counts. 6. Ew.
You can't do anymore, can you?
Ew. Why'd you know?
He's going to get a napkin.
I want a napkin over here.
How many was that? 6, okay. Can you get 7? Shove it in, dude. 7. Didn't count. You didn't say. You're mumbling.
Well.
You can't do any more? No? Okay, that was. How many was that? 6, yep. Dave got 6.